Hello and welcome to It's Tomorrow News. I am R. Sriram. United States Weather Department warns of explosive fire growth due to strong winds this week. Death toll at 24. After the death toll in the Los Angeles wildfires rose to 24 on Monday, the National Weather Service forecast strong winds intensifying over the week, prompting red flag warnings, The Guardian reported. With gusts reaching up to 70 miles per hour in mountainous areas, the Weather Service has warned of explosive fire growth and urged residents to follow evacuation orders promptly. Officials have identified Tuesday as the most dangerous day, as per The Guardian, with conditions expected to escalate overnight. Firefighters in the Los Angeles area are battling three major wildfires that have claimed at least 24 lives, burned over 40,000 acres and forced 150,000 people to evacuate. The wildfires erupted last week on Tuesday, January 7th, fueled by a powerful offshore winds and extremely dry conditions, as per NBC. Wild gusts exceeding 70 miles per hour swept across the region, combining with drought-like conditions less than 10% of the average rainfall since 1st October to create fire weather. The National Weather Service described the fire danger as about as bad as it gets. While the exact cause of the fires remains undetermined, according to an NBC report, experts attribute the heightened wildfire risk to California's climate patterns, which oscillate between drought and heavy rainfall. Los Angeles law enforcement officials have issued a stern warning to individuals seeking to exploit those who have lost everything in the recent wildfires, stating they will show the book at those found guilty of looting, burglary, price gouging and internet scams, as reported by BBC. The largest blaze, the Palisades fire, has burned over 23,000 acres and was only 14% contained as it threatened Brentwood, Encino and Westwood. Santa Ana winds are set to cause critical fire conditions over the next 3 days across parts of Los Angeles and Ventura counties as the region continues to battle historic and deadly blazes. Evacuation orders are in effect for 92,000 residents of Los Angeles and 89,000 are in evacuation warning zones, which means they may need to leave at a moment's notice. Meanwhile, more than 12,000 structures have been damaged or destroyed in 6 simultaneous wildfires that spread across the county starting last Tuesday. The firefighters on Monday braced for high winds, which are expected to further fuel the massive wildfires that have already brought down entire neighborhoods to ashes. As per the National Weather Service's forecast, dry Santa Ana wind gusts of 45 to 70 miles per hour were forecast to resume on Monday and continue through Wednesday. That's all for now. For more weather news updates, stay tuned with us on It's Tomorrow News. For more global weather updates like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Thank you.